Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your brand in Canva. First, navigate to the Brand Kit section, usually found on your home page sidebar. This is your central hub for all brand elements. You can upload multiple versions of your logo, ensuring versatility across different backgrounds and uses. Crucially, input your exact brand colors using their hex codes to maintain perfect consistency across all your designs. This foundational step is vital for a cohesive brand presence. Next, let's talk about typography, a key component of your brand identity. Within the brand kit, you can choose your primary and secondary fonts from Canva's extensive library. If your brand uses a unique typeface, you have the option to upload custom fonts directly. Remember to set default sizes for your headings, subheadings, and body text. This ensures every piece of content you create maintains a consistent and professional look, reinforcing your brand's visual voice. Now, let's leverage your brand kit to create efficient workflows. Design custom templates for your most frequent content, like social media posts, presentations, or documents. This saves you significant time and ensures every design adheres to your brand guidelines effortlessly. You can also add frequently used graphics, icons, or images directly to your brand kit. Organizing these assets into clearly labeled folders makes them incredibly easy to find and use, streamlining your design process. Finally, let's discuss maintaining and sharing your brand's integrity. You can easily share your entire brand kit with team members, ensuring everyone has access to the correct logos, colors, and fonts. This fosters collaborative design while maintaining consistency across all outputs. Make it a practice to regularly review and update your brand assets, perhaps every 6 months or annually. This ensures your brand remains fresh, relevant, and consistently represented across all platforms and materials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.